on the install current applications. Now the Primavera Project Planner 6 will be installed. We will get certain options. I want to go through them. Okay, now click on next, and here enter the product code. In my case the product code is ECC01. Next. Now you have to accept the terms. Next. Okay, here I am installing the Primavera standalone version. Click on next. Okay, next. Now I am going to install it in D and program files and Primavera 6. Next. Next. Okay, I am unchecking the sample projects because I am not interested in the sample project. And here program folder, name it as Primavera 6. Okay, in license go to browse, and in the license folder click on the license.txt file. Now click the open button. Next. Install. Okay, I am already having the Microsoft SQL's database, so it will be upgraded. Try to uninstall any kind of database first, so you will get no problem. The installation is now started. It will take some time upon the process, etc. The hardware, depending upon the hardware configuration of your system, it will take some time. Okay. Okay, be careful now not to change any default configuration. Click on next, finish, and then next, finish. Okay, the setup has finished the installation of Primavera 6. Click on finish and now exit it. Now go to start, programs, Primavera 6, and click on project management. Copy this login and paste it here and click on OK. It will now be connected to the database. Okay, you might get this type of error. In the readme.txt file you can find the remedy of this error. Right now I am not interested in the remedy of this error. Okay, so this is the main layout of Primavera Project Planner 6. So this is all about the installation. See you in next tutorial to see and learn how to work in it. In this tutorial we have learned how to install the Primavera Project Planner 6. See you in next tutorial. Allah Hafiz.